What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel, period. Also, if you are not already subscribed, what is you doing? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'm really trying to teach y'all everything, like, period. Y'all already know. So I'm gonna show y'all how to bleach the knots. And I'm still using the same little powders, BW2 by Claro. I think it's called Claro Professional. And then the cream developer by Frontal as well. Okay, so this is what my 613 frontal looks like. My knots dang near already look bleached, but it still could be a little more bleach, so I'm still gonna bleach it. But this is what the lace looks like. So when you bleach your frontal, it's the same exact thing. It's the same exact thing as bleaching or closure, but it's just bigger, so you just have to use more product. But I'm still gonna try not to use too much because I don't like to waste product. So I'm gonna put like 2 scoops of the powder. This probably still not enough, but this is what I'm gonna start off with. 1 scoop of bleach. You're just gonna pour this, like, you gotta really eye it. You don't want it to be too watery and you don't want it to be too thick. See, like, this is too thick. Like, if you try to put this on a lace, it probably wouldn't even bleach it that good because it's so thick, like, it's not gonna touch at all. So, like, if it looks clumpy like this, that's too thick. You wanna put some more of this stuff in here to make it a little looser, but you still don't wanna put too much to where it's too runny. So now, like, this is cool. Like, it's creamy enough to where it's not running or nothing, but it's still thick, but it's not too thick. Like, this is really perfect. I'm probably gonna need some more product, but I mean, I'm gonna just work with what I got, and then if I need more,
okay, so now it's time to start applying the bleach. I literally just took the brush out of the bowl that I showed you guys I mixed up, and now I'm gonna start applying the bleach onto the frontal. Since it is a 613 frontal, normally if you do happen to accidentally get some bleach through the lace and onto the knots, it's not really gonna affect anything because the hair is already lifted as bright as it can. Like, the hair is already dyed, you know, bleached to blonde, so you really can't mess it up, but that still doesn't mean be messy and make the bleach run through. But I'm literally just applying the bleach. Now, I'm not using any force because if you use force, that's what causes your bleach to push through and touch the roots and the knots. So you want to apply it soft and don't be heavy with your hand, because if you're heavy with your hand, that's what causes this to leak through. So just don't be heavy with your hand. And it doesn't matter where you start applying your bleach at. Normally I do start at my hairline though, like where the baby hairs and stuff is, but this time I just started putting it anywhere. It really does not matter, but if I were you, for a beginner, you know, for beginner advice, I would start literally where the baby hairs and stuff is, because you want to make sure that bleaches first out of anything, because that's the most important part.
Okay, I'm like halfway through bleaching my frontal. It should look something like this. I'm not finished. The other side looks just like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and finish bleaching the rest of my frontal. This is how it should look. You should not have any bleach seeping through your lace, but if you do, it's okay because it is a 613 frontal, so it's already lifted as high as it can go. But still, be careful. Like, don't be messy just because I said that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed the video up because I'm literally doing the same thing. At this point, you should just be covering the rest of your frontal with your bleach. I didn't really show it too much in the video, but make sure you guys are really getting every little piece up by the baby hairs. I feel like I didn't do a good job showing y'all that, but make sure that you're really getting up where your baby hairs and stuff is. This is how my frontal look once I'm done bleaching it. And then on this side, like where the edges are, I should have put more bleach up there, but it's still cool. But just make sure that you're fully covering everything. I literally use every little scoop. I don't waste nothing, period. My bad, like, if the video quality is not all that good, or, you know, too noisy or whatever, because I'm in hair school, so it's kind of loud, but I be trying to get my little videos in where I can. Okay, so now you should be letting your frontal process for about 20 to 30 minutes. It all depends on what look you're going for. While my frontal and stuff is processing, I'm just going to go ahead and start rinsing out all my tools that I use, just so I can make sure that I fully rinsed out the bleach off of everything, you know, just so I can make sure I'm being safe, period. Okay, y'all, so normally, like, when I bleach a frontal or closure, when it's time to shampoo it, I use this stuff that's called like lightening shimmer or shimmering lightener. It's the little purple bottle that you see in everybody's videos. It's supposed to help with toning down the knots, like if it turn out too gold or too brown. But I'm not gonna use it on this blonde frontal because it's blonde, and you know that's supposed to like tone out the brassiness of the blonde. So if I was to use that shampoo on that frontal, it would change the color of the frontal, and I don't want to do that. So I'm using my hands. I'm gonna just use regular shampoo.